Good morning, everyone. Thank you for your hard work and participation in our recently successful project venture. As a reward, I will be handing out bonuses to a few especially hardworking employees.
Wow, Mr. Ozzy is very generous. I received 1,000 for a bonus.
I received 2,000 ringgit.
When elements in group 14 are heated, they will form oxides in the form of monoxide and dioxide. To relate this to the situation previously, the two employees are representing group 14 elements. The hard work done by the employees represent heating process. Mr. Oxy represents oxygen, while the bonus given, which is 1,000 ringgit and 2,000 ringgit, represent the oxides in the form of monoxide and dioxide.
Mr. H2O,
Here, use this to wipe it up. Boss, I am so sorry for spilling the coffee on you.
thank you H2O. It's not a problem. Don't worry, it was just an accident.
Carbon, silicon, and germanium do not react with water. Hence, Mr. CSG did not get angry with water for spilling the coffee, because they do not react.
H2O, I heard you spilled coffee on the bus this morning. Why didn't you be more careful? I told you over and over again not to carry your coffee around you. You're so clumsy.
I'm sorry, Mrs. Tin. I won't do it again.
Stannum reacts with water to form dioxide and gas. Hence, Mrs. Stannum was angry with water, because they react.
I heard you were scolded by Mrs. Ting for spilling the coffee on the bus this morning.
That's right. Big Boss wasn't angry about it, but Miss Tin was. I'm sorry about it.
It's okay, I understand that it was an accident. I'm not angry with you. We said we are family, right, cousin? Got to stick out for each other.
Plumbum does not react with water due to the presence of protective oxide. Hence, Mr. Plumbum did not get angry with water, due to their family bond as cousins in the situation, which represents the protective oxide on Plumbum.
Mrs. Acid, I want you to finish this report, calculate the predictions for our company stocks, write up this letter to the suppliers, do my grocery shopping, or count the number of spiders on our ceiling, and I want it done within 2 hours.
Yes, boss.
Carbon, silicon, and germanium do not react with dilute acid. Hence, Mrs. Acid did not complain or get angry even when Mrs. CSG gave her a ridiculous task to complete.
Hey, Acid, Big Boss wants me to balance the company checkbook, but I have to Zumba workout at 10. Could you please finish it for me?
Yeah, it's my birthday today, so I don't think I want to work that hard today. Can you help me to proofread this report?
Do you know how much work I have? Big Boss just gave me so many tasks. Do it yourself.
Stannum and Plumbum react with dilute acid. Hence, when they came to give more work to Mrs. Acid, she got angry and yelled at them.
Mr. Ali has 4 wives. His first wife is Madam Germanium, his second wife is Madam Tin, his third wife is Madam Lead, and his fourth wife is Madam Silicon. Mr. Ali's first wife is Baron. Unfortunately for Mr. Ali, Madam Tin and Madam Lead were cheating on their marriage with Mr. Ali with their opposite neighbor, Mr. Acid. Madam Tin has a child with Mr. Ali whose name is Tanet, while Madam Lead also has a child with Mr. Ali named Plumbet. Besides, Madam Silicon has a child named Silicate. Mr. Ali has an affair with Miss Bond. They don't have any child.
Carbon and germanium do not react with alkaline. Hence, Mr. Ali did not have any children with Mrs. Bond or Madam Germanium. Stannum, plumbum, and silicon react with alkaline to form stannate, plumbate, and silicate respectively. Hence, we analogized it as 3 children, which are stannate, plumbate, and silicate, with his respective wives, Madam Stannum, Madam Plumbum, and Madam Silicon.
Besides, tin and lead are amphoteric, meaning they react with acid as well as alkali, which is shown in their relationship with Mr. Acid and Mr. Ali.
so lonely. I don't know how to socialize with other people.
This girl represents carbon. This girl do not know how to socialize with other people, probably because she does not have any confidence. Carbon is also like her. Carbon can form complex ion because carbon do not have empty p orbital. Meanwhile, other elements below carbon can form complex ions because they have empty p orbitals, ligand, and bond. Let's say that these kids are carbon. They are small, just like carbon. They also play among themselves in a large group, just like carbon, where carbon has interlocking covalent bond with another 4 carbon atoms, forming a strong tetrahedral structure.
I never got time to interact with my friend as I get older.
And going down the group, catenation decreases. So here is a doctor, which is older compared to the kids. She has no time to make friends and are alone. So the doctor is analogized as the elements below carbon in group 14. Her older age is representing a bigger size, and her loneliness shows that she cannot form bond with the same element.
A group of friends went to a shopping mall. This group represents the elements of group 14.
Let's shopping. Wait. I think we need to survey the price first. You are right. Okay, let's go.
They went to all stores in each level at the shopping mall to survey the price before purchasing. Each level represents the position of an element in group 14. After they reached the highest floor, they started to purchase things that they want to buy based on the prices that they had surveyed.
It looks like we have done surveying, so let's go.
They buy a lot of things there. So they spend a lot of money. They go down to the next level. They buy lots and lots and lots of things there. So they spend more and more money. The money spent by the shoppers is used to represent the tendency of releasing electrons, which means more money spent or electrons released as they go down the group. As this happens, the tendency to release electrons, which is the electropositivity, will increase. Then, the shoppers are shown going down from the highest to the lowest floor of the shopping mall. This is used to represent going down group 14. Each floor is an element in the group. As they go down, they become more exhausted and tired because the things become more heavy. So, they tend to put their things on the floor. Each represents the bond of group 14 elements that become easier to break when going down the group because the size of atom is increased and effective nuclear charge is decreased. This is shown by the amount of plastic bags and stuff that is being carried. The melting and boiling point will decrease. As they go down, they trolley become full. The density will increase. This is shown by how full the trolley gets as they go down floors, representing the increasing density in each of the elements going down the group.